Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove #n/a errors in VLOOKUP in Excel. Click on cell C2 to select it. You'll see the existing VLOOKUP formula in the formula bar at the top. Click into the formula bar and replace the entire formula with equals iferror open bracket v lookup open bracket a2, $e, $2, $f, $4, $2, false, close bracket, quote, not found, quote, close bracket, then press enter. The #n/a error in cell C2 is now replaced with the text not found. Click cell C2 again, then drag the fill handle down to cell C4 to apply the updated formula. All three cells now display not found instead of error messages. You can customize the error message to anything you want by changing the text inside the quote marks. Try something like no match or check spelling if that suits your spreadsheet better. If your lookup table changes and a match becomes available later, the iferror formula will automatically show the correct result instead of the fallback message. iferror will also hide other formula errors like #-ref or #value, so double-check your VLOOKUP logic first if you're troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.